Hello viewer, welcome back to my new video. So today we are going to talking about hot earning YouTube channel niche ideas. So I can search virtual sci-fi YouTube channel. So this is virtual sci-fi YouTube channel and he makes video on the self-improvement, how can self-improvement, book reviews and others. So this video's language is only Hindi and this is a short channel and there is no long video here, and this is a short video over here. So you can see 93 videos only but 675k subscriber. So this is huge subscriber. So you can make this type of video in any language like English, like Hindi, like Bangla, Bengali, like French, German, Italy, etc. So you can make this type of video using AI voice, using AI avatar face. Then you can get more effective traffic and a lot of audience. And so we can here he always published a video how can improve myself, tips and tricks. So if you make this type of video, this type of channel, then you can earn a lot of money from YouTube platform. So guys, we can check this video possible income like virtual sci-fi, and you can search on social blade and you can see that his estimated monthly earning 1.6k to $26,000 and estimated yearly earning $19,000 to $350,000. So this is huge. So you can try to make this type of channel and try to publish this type of qualityful video. Then you can earn a lot of money from YouTube platform, and you can make this type of video English language or Hindi or Bengali as you wish. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more YouTube channel ideas to make money online. So thank you so much. Thank you all.